Most people buy a Mac for video editing, design, music production, writing, coding, or that clean Apple experience. But here's the problem. The moment we talk about serious CAD, 3D modeling, product design, architecture, or complex surface modeling, many people still think, okay, now I need a Windows workstation. But that's not always true. And in this video, I am going to show you how you can install Rhino CAD on macOS. And more importantly, I will explain why Rhino is one of the most interesting 3D design tool for Mac user. Because Rhino is not just another CAD software. This particular tool is specifically used to create complex surfaces, to do product design, jewelry design, and 3D printing. So if your plan is to do any of these, then you are at right place. Alright, so let me quickly open a Rhino website. For that, you can simply search for Rhino 3D and then hit enter. And let's open the main website. And there you go. As I said, Rhino is not just another CAD software because this one is built for different purpose. And the reason why I am installing this because of its excellent capability to create spiral models, which is very challenging in case of proper 3D parametric modeling software, for example Siemens NX or CATIA. Now here we can quickly see the capability of it. But let's go down here and see what are the different plans Rhino has to offer. And I am pleased to talk about this free evaluation plan, which gives you 90 days free trial access to this software, which does not suppress any feature while trial period. Another cool thing is you can also utilize it for commercial purpose. And I think 3 months is quite a generous time period, where even if let's say you are a new user, you have enough time to go through and learn about it. Alright, now let's click here on try it. Now the next thing here we need to do is we need to click on create new account. So let's do that. And now I'm gonna use Google to quickly create my account. And there you go. Now we need to click on next. And then here you need to quickly fill up this information. Now here I can quickly select all these options, which I think is applicable for me. Then we need to quickly go through this. And here you need to enter your school website and do not forget to enter HTTP while entering the address. And now here you need to click on I agree and then click on download now. Now click on allow. This will begin the download process. Now let's open this and let's simply drag it to application. Alright, so we have successfully copied it and let's go here in application now. I can see the Rhino is installed. Let's run it for the first time, where probably we need to configure our key. And here what I'm gonna do is I need to enter my email address and then I need to accept terms and click on continue. Now you can see it says your account has license ready to use. I'm gonna click on login as and then click on allow. And there you go. We have successfully configured Rhino in our system. Now here we can start with a template. Let's go with small object and millimeter as a default unit. And now I'm gonna click new model. And there you go guys. We have successfully installed Rhino 3D, with the help of whom you can create several different types of model inside Macintosh. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If you have got any question or doubt, please feel free to ask me in comment down below. And please subscribe to the Mac Essential. We already have met all other requirements to monetize this channel. except the subscriber count. So please help us by subscribing to The Mac Essential, where our objective is to help you in elevating your macOS experience. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.